Measure the installation height. For a 90 inches height, requires 1A for C and B. Turn the open plastic piece at the top. Insert pulla into pole C, then slide the sleeve into pole C. Assemble one of the foot caps. Connect the pulla for pole C. And then connect pole B at last. Assemble the other foot cap. Do not twist spring parts. Twist the slim parts. Twist right to loosen. Twist left to tighten. Adjust pole's length to installation height 90 inches, then add an extra 2 inches, 92 inches overall. Hang the baskets on the pole. Firstly, compress the top pole against the ceiling. Then move the bottom end into position. Finally, hang the small baskets, hooks, and towel bars.